Rapture, Part 2. Type that in there and you'll see an elderly lady with her hair tied back, where she's speaking on. It's about 40-something minutes long, but it's a very good video, and she speaks on, how soon everything looks like it's coming, just like all the visions that I've had in the past couple of months, and I feel it's right at hand any time now. I'm going to get this up, make this a fast load, because like I said, I got to watch my time on these things here. For some reason, I don't get that free Wi-Fi no more. It's all kind of like blocked on my phone now. But anyhow, I believe we are right at hand, and we don't have much time left. Everybody has seen this angel blowing a trumpet above my head. Everybody's seen it. I didn't see this photo until 2014. And there's a reason why I didn't get it until now. And that's because this is where we're at. The time is at hand. I know we've been hearing a lot of people saying a lot of stuff these past few years. But I want to tell you this, and make sure you understand this. The Super Bowl countdown, I was 5 years old when that started, okay? This was the 50th Super Bowl. That 50-yard line, these demons, they've known the time Jesus was coming. They knew the year, but they didn't even know the day or the hour. But they knew the year, okay? So that's when they had that there. That was their countdown. Even look at their halftime games, all demonic stuff. But Jesus said, I'm going to separate the sheep from the goats. And remember this, not that many people are going. I've had people call me a con artist and everything else. Let me tell you, I used to have a business called Gulf Bay Painting. I lost all that when I was going out warning people. Well, there's going to be a lot of evil people that are going to speak negative about stuff, anything they can do to get the believers away from the truth. Know this, the 50th Super Bowl, that's the reason what that was all about. There's 49 yards on each side of that 50-yard line. And don't the Jewish people, every 49 years, it makes one of their calendar years, where this is the 70th 49 years it's rolled around. Jesus said, I'm going to separate the sheep from the goats. Let me tell you something. We got more goats around us than we do sheep. It's very demonic everywhere you look. And this includes my own family. I've got 3 sisters and a brother that have nothing to do with me. And Jesus said in the end times, family members will betray family members. This is exactly what's happening. People will make people look like they're stupid and ignorant. But they don't. What encouragement are they giving towards the Lord's coming? You got to check these people out. Don't be deceived any further. God bless you. And remember, keep your eyes on the Lord. I'm still broke down trying to find a shop to fix my truck. But I've got people that had me come all the way out here to Oregon on the promise of being able to get a job in this shop. I drove 2,800 miles. And then the day I put my application in, the job was gone. And then they want to put a nasty letter in about me, like, you can't be doing this and that, and blah, blah, blah. Let me tell you something, man. If they had any poll, who would have somebody drive almost 3,000 miles and just to find out the job was filled right after you get there and you put the application in? You see what I'm saying? These people are out here to try to make people look bad, too. Now I'm sitting on the side of the road. I'm broke down and stuff. It's wicked out there, people. Don't be deceived any further. God bless you. Be with the Holy Spirit.